We'll look at some of the top propeller holders for the DJI Air 3S in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have StartRC Propeller Holder. Drone enthusiasts frequently choose the StartRC Propeller Holder for the DJI Air 3S, and with good reason. The propellers will stay in position during storage and transit thanks to this holder's snug and secure fit, which is specifically made to accommodate the DJI Air 3S. With its 2 holes and elasticity-rich silicone construction, the Propeller Air 3S fixator buckle strap eliminates the need to worry about size differences when swapping out other propellers. There are 2 holes on the buckle strap for adjustment. Wear a blade stabilizer fixator without damaging the lens, provide tight protection for the fuselage and paddles, and even if you wear a guard, you can still place it in the box without wasting any additional room. The propeller holding strap's benefits include its compact size, resilience to pressure and drops, and compatibility with a variety of bags and cases for storage or travel. The machine is ready to use. Simply press the Air 3S propeller strap and protruding tip with your hand to remove it. On number 2, we have RC-style propeller holder. Another great option for DJI Air 3S users who want to safeguard their drone's propellers is the RC-style propeller holder. This precisely crafted holder reduces the possibility of damage during storage or transit by guaranteeing that the propellers stay firmly in place. Effectively guards against damage to the front and rear propellers when being transported and stored in the folded storage position. Make use of premium PU material to give the goods anti-dirt, waterproof, and wear-resistant qualities. A special Velcro design that makes installation simple and allows for tightness adjustment because of its lightweight design, the RC-style propeller holder won't add extra weight to your drone setup. This is essential to preserving the drone's effectiveness and flying performance. Additionally, it fits neatly into any backpack or carrying case thanks to its small size, which makes it a practical addition for drone pilots who value portability. The adaptability of the RC-style propeller holder is also another noteworthy characteristic. It is made to fit snugly in a variety of combinations and work with propellers of varying diameters. For drone users who could have many sets of propellers or who may upgrade their propellers over time, this versatility makes it a flexible choice. On number 3, we have BRDRC Propeller Holder. Another interesting choice for those wishing to safeguard the propellers on their DJI Air 3S drone is the BRDRC Propeller Holder. Specifically made for the DJI Air 3 drone, these accessories make it easier to store, guard against damage to the drone during storage and transit, and are a great travel companion. Propellers can be stored in a specially designed position that keeps them from slipping out or getting crushed. A sensor, fill light, bottom cover, and propellers may all be protected simultaneously by the outstanding fixing action of the plastic used for the bottom shell, which also shields the chassis from damage. The silicone used to make the upper fixing strap has good flexibility, won't scratch the drone body or squeeze the propeller, and is easy to clean so you don't have to worry about becoming dirty. The mushroom buckle design makes it simple to secure and difficult to remove. The BRDRC propeller holder's small size and lightweight ensure that it won't add extra bulk to your drone setup. This is essential to preserving your DJI Air 3S's best flying performance. Its mobility and convenience are further enhanced by its small size, which makes it simple to fit into any drone backpack or carrying case. So these are some of the best propeller holders to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.